As the nation braces for a potential government shutdown, Wall Street is preparing for a pretty big week. CNN's Maribel Aber joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Good morning, Maribel. How are the markets looking for the start of trading?
Let's talk about it, Chesley. Good morning. So investors kick off the week with a full roster of inflation signals ahead. Pending home sales will be out later this morning. Data on job openings, consumer confidence, and auto sales are expected Tuesday and Wednesday. And the unemployment numbers for September come in on Friday. Lots to look at. So analysts expect the rate to hold steady at 4.3%. Futures were up across the major indices just before the bell. As for how all of that is moving the markets now, it's a mixed session. Looks like here at NASDAQ we're up about 144, so we've come down a bit. The Dow is down 39 and the S&P up 18.
All right. We're hearing Boeing is facing some fresh scrutiny over its next few steps. Talk to us about it.
So the FAA is partially restoring Boeing's authority, Chesley, to certify some 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliner jets. This follows 18 months of federal scrutiny and major quality control overhauls by Boeing. CEO Kelly Ortberg has acknowledged the sweeping cultural and operational changes the company must make. The aircraft maker lost certification powers in 2019 and 2022 after two deadly crashes and the discovery of severe production flaws. A 2024 door plug blowout led to more intense safety investigations, and several whistleblowers came forward. The FAA says due to improvements, it will now share certification duties with Boeing while still overseeing their safety and production. So, Chesley, maybe the curfew is no longer in place, but they don't have the keys to the car just yet.
All right. Speaking of safety, we have some new safety concerns over the popular Jeep Wagoneer.
Stellantis, Chesley, is recalling over 123,000 Jeep Wagoneers and a Grand Wagoneers over a potential crash hazard. Federal safety officials say window trim pieces on those vehicles made between 2022 and 2024 could break off while in motion. So this expands on an earlier recall this month involving 164,000 vehicles. This could cause a road hazard and lead to possible accidents. No injuries have been reported, and Stellantis is still working on a fix. Once they have one, owners will be notified and dealers will make that repair for free. Chesley.
Good to know. Good to know. All right. I'm a little afraid about this one here. Shoppers at Walmart, their favorite frozen treat maybe under the microscope, say it's not ice cream.
It's not ice cream.
Okay, good.
Okay,
Good,
it's meatballs. Okay, some meatball pasta meals shipped to Walmart are being recalled due to possible listeria contamination. The USDA says this latest alert, it stems from an ongoing investigation earlier this year. They recently tested pre-cooked pasta from meals branded market side linguine with beef meatballs and marinara sauce. Well, it tested positive for the same listeria found in a chicken meal by Fresh Realm over the summer. In that case, Chesley, 3 people died and 16 were hospitalized. Listeria is a bacteria that causes serious, sometimes fatal infections. People who are older, pregnant, or have weakened immune systems are at a higher risk of severe illness. Full recall details can be found on the USDA's website under recalls. But Chesley, man, I cannot stress enough to check your freezers.
Absolutely. I mean, especially with people dying and getting that sick. So thanks a lot, Maribel. We really appreciate that.
You got it.
Information. All right.